That's right, Mechanicals. Let's get the garage nice and clean. Oh, sounds like we've got a customer. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck, who doesn't look very happy. A wobbly tooth? That's nothing to worry about, Baby Truck. When it falls out, you can place it under your pillow and you get a gold coin. Oh no! Baby Truck sneezed her wobbly tooth away. Oh, don't worry, we'll find it. Go, go, Mechanicals! Ugh, yuck! Sorry, Green. That's not a tooth. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Watch it, Yellow! Oh, we've searched the whole garage and there's no sign of Baby Truck's tooth anywhere. Oh. Just a minute. There's one place we haven't looked. In Blue's feather duster. Aha! Here you go, Baby Truck. Now get home and put it under your pillow. And we'll see you soon for more exciting adventures at Gecko's Garage. Bye!